Suffering from cough for a few months, and I've been visiting a few doctors in the clinic. All the time they will give me syrup, and I take after one syrup, another time with syrup, but still the cough is on. And last, a friend of mine introduced me to use this magic cream called LumiGlow. So I've applied it at the nose and straight to my neck, and then through the breathing apparatus at night. See, when I apply it at night, so I feel that next few days, a few days after applying, I feel that my breathing gets improving and my cough getting lesser and lesser. After a few months using it, I feel that there's no sign of difficulty in my breathing, and the cough immediately disappeared.